Yeah, this is Saidi Channo. Today, we're gonna discuss about KDM ICP3. Today our main agenda is about information extraction. The data is very important in the current era. We need to extract meaningful information from unstructured data. For this, we have a different type of extractions. For example, if we take triplet extractions, for this I am using textacy library, and then we're gonna do some operations extracting subject, verb, object. In a sentence, if you pass a sentence, the subjects, the subject of the sentence and the object, these will get extracted from a sentence. If we run this code, in this sentence, it gonna extract all the verbs, subjects, objects, and all those things. This is how the extraction will be. There are two types of information extraction and information retrieval. We are extracting information from this sentence. This is like, as you can see here, this is more structured compared to this one. Like this, we're gonna do some operations related to triplet extractions. In this sentence, it will give clear extracted data. This is how the multiple extraction works. And coming to ordinate task, in this task, we have multiple tasks. Coming to this one, coming to ordinate, we this is also same kind of extraction kind of thing, but we have many operations here, we extracting hypernyms. There are many type of hypernyms. One is root hypernym, common hypernyms, and lowest common hypernyms. According the same way, we have meronyms, member meronyms, part meronyms, and all those things. And coming to halonyms, we have part halonyms, substance halonyms, and substance meronyms also we have. And coming to entailment, we can see here, we have, if you can see the snore. The entailment of a word snore is sleep. If you run this code, we can get many outputs of this output of this thing. This is how it will work. The entailment of snore is sleep. Particularly, we have many, we can see part meronym, member meronyms. For lecturer, we have professor, so the member meronym is professor. For faculty, sorry, for faculty, the same member, this belongs to the same member, right? It's giving professor. Like that, we have meal. A meal means we have lunch and meal come under same category, so it's giving meal. In the same way, we have set of substance meronyms, hydrogen, oxygen. So if you can see in the substance meronym, here we have given water. Water includes, in water we can have substances like hydrogen and oxygen. Water formula is H2O, right? Hydrogen and oxygen combinedly water. Like that, entailment of word snore is sleep. This is how the wordnet, we have multiple, it's a kind of dictionary, we can extract multiple data, meaningful data and all those things. It will be helpful in real time environment as well. In the same way, we have one more example for triplet. If you can see here, I have a sentence. If I see this sentence, we need to extract some triplet kind of information. Triplet information, triplet extraction. For this, we have four data, four chunks. For performing example, we have four chunks, and we are iterating to get all these adjectives and all those information. And then, we have entity, we have relation. This is, in this we can extract a relation. So in this sentence, like the main relation is completed. So the output of this uh, uh, sentence is relation. So completed, it will show completed. And the text will be like this, and we're gonna have get entity function, get relation function. So and we have two words for down process, ASTM standard, and all those things. So this will show all list of words in a sentence. And coming to main function, so this is the triplet extraction. So we gonna have triplets here. So downgrade, draw down process governed by ASTM standard, and these are the triplet extraction. So that's all. Thank you.